Solving a polynomial inequality, solve and graph the solution set on the real line. So we have this inequality, x squared minus x is greater than 20. And now if we want here to solve this inequality, so I'm going both sides minus 20, so this side, right side, I want to make a 0 and minus 20 here. And when I am adding minus 20 on this side, x squared minus x minus 20 is greater than 0, because plus 20 minus 20 is a 0. So I end up with this number here. But negative 20 have two factors here, because I want to see can I factor. And as we see here, negative 20, I can write like a minus 5 times 4, or minus 5 times positive 4. And minus 5 times positive 4 is negative 20. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1, so it satisfies the criteria for factoring this quadratic inequality. And what is going to be here is going to be x minus 5, x minus 5, and x plus 4, x plus 4, which happens to be greater than 0. And now I'm looking here at what points I'm going to get. X minus 5, if I'm taking, for example, as a set solution here, x is going to be equal with a 5. So I'm looking just as a point. I disregard the sign here, negative. I just want to know to which point I am dividing this number line. And here x is going to be equal with minus 4. And now, as a point, minus 4 is here at this point, and 5 is at this point here. So this one I'm going to divide in 3 regions. Region 1 is here to minus 4, and second is going to be here, and the third region is here. So I'm looking where is the solution, in which region. And in this I'm taking any number I can take and I can test in this equation. So I am taking, let's say, a minus 5. This is closer 1. So let's say this is a region 1. Let's see is a solution or not. And I'm taking here minus 5. Instead of the x, I'm plugging minus 5. And the minus 5 is here. So whenever it's x, I'm plugging in this equation minus 5, so it's much easy. And it's a minus 5 plus 4, and this one should be greater than 0. Minus 5 is here, plus 4, okay, is a greater than 0. Let's see, does it satisfy this inequality? As we see here, this is a minus 10. Minus 10, and here is a minus 5, plus 4 is minus 1. Time 10 is, minus 10 is positive 10, so this one is a greater than 0. So this is a part of the solution here. If this is a part of the solution, then I'm writing here parentheses, and the solution goes this way. This is the set of the solution, so let me include this as a set of the solution in this way. Now I'm looking here in region 2 between minus 4 and 5. Minus 4 and 5, so region 2, let me take this one here. Region 2. So instead of the x, I'm plugging here is 0 minus 5, 0 minus 5, and instead of the x in the other side, I am plugging 0 plus 4. So I am testing, is this one part of the solution or not? But if we are looking here, we see here, 0 minus 5 is minus 5, 0 plus 4 is positive 4. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 20. But minus 20 is not greater than 0. So this is a false. Here is not this part of the solution. From minus 4 to 5 is not a part of the solution. So let me write here. This is a false. It's not a part of the solution. And in the region 3, let me take is a region 3 and let me test is this a solution or not of this inequality. And I'm taking any number here, I can check, but I will going to check a number 6 here is very close to 5 and it's much easier to check it. And now here is instead of the x, I'm plugging 6 minus 5, and in the other side is a 6 plus 4, and as we see here is going to be positive number which is a greater than 0. It looks like 6 minus 5 is 1, positive 1, 6 plus 4 is a 10, and positive 10 is a greater than 0, so this is a part of the solution. But because this sign here is a greater, so it means here goes a parenthesis, so 5 is not part of the solution 5, neither is a negative 4. And if we write this set of the solution, is going to be from the set solution is the interval from minus infinity. Let me erase this number here because it's not very good. So is from minus infinity, the set solution is from minus infinity to minus 4. But minus 4 is not the part of the solution, so this is here. And union is the solution is from 5 to infinity. So this is the solution to infinity. So this is the solution of this inequality.